Maracujá Mousse. Passion fruit mousse. A dessert from Brazil. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Blend condensed milk and passion fruit juice. Step 2. Dissolve gelatin in a cup of water. Step 3. Beat egg whites until stiff and fold into mixture. Add gelatin. Wet a ring mold and pour the mousse into it. Refrigerate for 6 hours. Step 4. Unmold and serve with a crème anglaise. To make the Brazilian version of it, dissolve sugar well in milk. Step 5. Beat egg yolks slightly with a whisk, or in a pinch with a fork, and add to milk and sugar mixture. Step 6. Strain the mixture and cook over low heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon until it starts to simmer. Do not let it boil, it will curdle on you. Step 7. Refrigerate. To serve, put a slice of mousse on a plate and spoon crème on top. Use the cloves to decorate the plates. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.